Hey Forkers, we're gonna make a really quick apple pie in a pan a la mode. So come right back and I'm gonna show you how. So I kind of stole this recipe from an interview I heard with Dr. Fuhrman, although I couldn't find it printed anywhere online, so I took it for myself. We're gonna do this ready to go. Okay, so you're gonna start with getting a frying pan nice and warm, and then you want a cup of water. You put on, it's gonna sizzle. Yeah. You're gonna add a cup of currants, an 1/8 of a cup of chopped walnuts. On top of that, you're gonna put in 3 cups of chopped up apples. Get them nice and thin. Then you're gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Put a cover on it. So you're gonna let that sit. While that's happening, we're gonna make banana and ice cream. By the time the ice cream is ready, that will be ready too. It kind of times out perfectly. You want 2 frozen bananas. We chop ours up, so it's about 3 sections. I'm gonna put in a little extra just for good luck. With that, we're gonna add about 0.8 ounces of macadamia nuts. We're gonna put in a teaspoon, roughly, of vanilla. Now we're gonna put it on the Vitamix. This is gonna get noisy. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wind this thing up. I'm gonna smash the hell out of it with this until it starts to form some nice soft peaks. You don't need to add any liquid to this. It's gonna seem like it's not working, and then all of a sudden it'll all come together like magic. That's perfect. It grinds and grinds and grinds, and all of a sudden, like, and it all comes together in a bunch of peaks. Now we're gonna check the apples. Yeah! That's what we want it to look like. So now we're gonna scoop it out into the different bowls. There's gonna be a little bit of a liquid at the bottom. That's all right. You can use that as like a sauce that you can pour over top. It's kind of magical. And that's that. This dessert comes together in like 5 to 10 minutes. It's bang, bang, bang. So I recommend getting all your ingredients ready, and then it's go time. This is a family favorite. We love it. It's completely healthy. It's all 100% plant-based. No added sugar. It's delicious. If you like this recipe, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, leave comments. If you make it, show me, take a photo, put it in the Instagram. Let me know where you're making your stuff from. Share the word, subscribe. Thanks so much.